Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tan, a Chinese programmer. Today I'm going to show you something that breaks every foreigner's brain. This is WeChat. You probably think it's just WhatsApp, right? Wrong, did wrong. This thing is not an app. It's literally China's second operating system. In the US, you need maybe 50 to 20 apps to survive daily life. In China, we only need one. Let me prove it to you right now. Okay, obviously, chat with messages, video calls, WhatsApp does that. But watch this. I can pay for everything by just scanning this QR code. Coffee, scan. Street food, scan. Taxi, scan. Even the old lady selling vegetables on the street had this. Now here's where it gets insane. These are called mini programs. I don't need to download anything. I just scan or search and boom. Order food, book a taxi, buy movie tickets, pay my electricity bill, top up my phone, book a doctor, even fill my taxes all inside WeChat. What's this? I'm hungry, open Meituan inside WeChat. Order fried rice, pay done. Average delivery time, less than 30 minutes. Sometimes they use drones, actual drones fly into my balcony. Need to go somewhere. I open Didi inside WeChat. Car arrives in 3 minutes. Want to take a train? 12306 mini programs. Choose seat. Face scan at the station. No paper ticket needed. During Chinese New Year, 4 million people fight for tickets, and this app handles it. Money sent red packets. I sent my friend 50 RMB, like this. He received it recently. Short videos, we have channels, basically TikTok inside WeChat. Mom uses it, grandma uses it, everyone uses it. During COVID, this app saved lives. Here's code green, you can go anywhere. Yellow or red, you are locked down. You scan to enter every building, subway, mall. Your app decided if you were free or not. Sounds crazy, it worked. China had almost zero community spread for 2 years. You think I'm joking? In some cities, you can even book divorce appointments in WeChat. The good news is this feature isn't easy to find. So yeah, WeChat has 1.2 billion monthly users, over 1 million mini programs, handles payments worth 17 trillion per year. It knows where I am, what I eat, who I pay, where I travel. It's basically my digital ID. It's not an app. It's the infrastructure of modern China. If you are watching this and your jaw is on the floor, please hit that like button. Comment down below how many apps do you need to do all this. I'm very curious. See you next one. Bye!